Oh well, so as you can see, Chainlink is actually playing out exactly as we predicted on our last video. So let's just go on the weekly time frame. We can see that price is slowly trending towards that $30 level. We're now $4 away, less than $4 away from that first target area. And it's quite interesting because it goes to show how well our technical analysis is working on the crypto market. Now, that this does not mean that we use these strategies for all coins and all projects. Why? Because some projects have no underlying value, right? So we'll have Dogecoin, for example. What do we see with that coin? It's pretty much a pump and dump coin, a meme coin. So whenever we see some type of I don't know, Elon Musk says something, or some influencer says something in relation to the coin, we see price almost rally to the upside in a very unhealthy manner. And the problem with these kind of rallies is they end up basically near enough where the pump started or even below that. So for example, if it rallies to 50 cents in less than a week, you'll probably see it back to 20 or 10 cents. Why? Because it has no real value. It's a pump and dump. So it's important to remember that when you are in the crypto space. If you are interested in pump and dumps, then maybe it's wise to actually cash out on the pump rather than holding. Right now, Chainlink is a bit different. This coin has an incredible utility. A guy with impeccable with an impeccable resume behind him, and we believe that this has the potential to be one of the best performing cryptocurrencies of the decade. And what we love about this project is the fact that it's working with such reputable companies that are actually changing the world, right? So all Chainlink has to do is leverage these companies in order to propel itself into the future. Now, with that being said, let's have a closer look at Chainlink. Now, I'm not going to go over what I went through on my last video because you can watch that. In fact, stop right there. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and catch up on those previous videos. Now, we can see from the weekly time frame we have now broken this level, right? So we bought this low. We bought around $11-10, and then we saw price break the structure area, and then we said price will pull back. This would be a good target to buy at, which was around 15 cents, $15 to $16. You can watch that video where we do explain that. So this is before this is rallied. Then when it starts rallying, right, we said, okay, it looks like we're going to start trending towards the upside, and we just mapped out our next target area of $30. Now let's go on a daily time frame just to look at the price action on the daily. Now, what I love about this particular cryptocurrency is, as you can see, the moves to the upside are quite healthy, right? So we're not seeing a sharp rally and then the coin just going in a straight line. We're seeing price almost consolidate. So here we could see a rally, and then we see price retrace our previous structure area, which was support. Then we see price move to the upside again, and then as you can see, we see price pull back, in a harmonious way, where good for re-entries anyway. And then we start to see prices consolidate, and now obviously an all-time high has now been made today. So what do we see? Do we see price again pull back, so maybe around $23, and then move to the $30 area? Or do we see price simply trend to the upside? So do we see a strong impulse move right to $30? I believe we are going to see a sharp move to the upside. To be honest with you, I don't think we're going to consolidate at this level anymore. I think we're going to definitely rally to $30, and then we could see another consolidation, or maybe even price maybe range between the structure from 28 to $32. We could see that happen maybe for a few weeks, and then of course our $40 area could be hit soon. Now, February is a very interesting month, so I wouldn't be surprised if we hit $40 before the end of this month. But first target, I would say $30, and then we'll take it from there. But that's it for now on Chainlink. Make sure you watch our next video, because I'm going to do another breakdown on Cardano, and also we'll have another look at our favorite project, Polkadot. But as always, seize the day.